Hey buddy, today in this video we're going to be making frozen calamari in the air fryer. Let's begin. We have here 12 ounces of frozen calamari from CPAC. And let's open it up. Comes with sauce too. Sauce is frozen, so we're going to microwave it. There you go. We're going to put the sauce in a bowl and we're going to microwave it real quick. Okay, we microwaved it for 2 minutes. We're just going to mix it up a little bit. We're going to put it to the side. We're just going to season the calamari just a little bit. And let's take it out. It's really nicely coated. I'm going to spread it out a little bit. Next, we're going to spray some cooking oil onto the calamari. We're going to season it with garlic powder, just to give it more flavor. And we're going to add some Parmesan cheese. There you go. Gotta take up some of the extra Parmesan cheese. We have here the new air fryer that I just bought. We're gonna preheat the air fryer first. There's a preheat button. We're gonna push that. It's already at 400 degrees and we're gonna start. And we'll be back after the air fryer is preheated. Okay, it's been preheated to 400 degrees. And a total time of 8 minutes. And we're gonna start. Now we're gonna put in the calamari. Spread them out. Make sure they're spread out. There you go. Then we're gonna put it in for 400 degrees for a total time of 8 minutes. And we'll be back. While we're waiting for the calamari to cook, let's take a look at the packaging. It's wild caught. The sauce is tomato romano sauce. And it's around 190 calories. Saturated fat at 1.5 grams. It has 1 gram of sugar. So yeah, I mean, kind of glad it's well caught and it'll be great. Okay, it's been 4 minutes so far. Let's flip it over. Now flip it over real quick. Make sure to flip them over so that they cook evenly. There we go. We're gonna put it back in for the last 4 minutes. And we'll be back. Okay, it's been a total time of 8 minutes at 400 degrees. Let's take it out. Looking great. Okay, let's take it out. Okay, this is what we have today. Calamari made in the air fryer. We also have the tomato romano sauce on the side from CPAC. I hope you enjoyed this video. Give this video a like and subscribe for more future recipes. Let's give one a try. It's really good. It has a consistent crispy texture, and the tomato romano sauce is really great as well. It's really rich and complements the calamari really well. Here, have a bite, and thanks for watching.